I just licked it.
Come on. What are we doing?
You're doing a mukbang. Oh my god. I'm scared.
Alright guys, this is Natalia's idea. We got this very spicy soup. We're doing
Noodles.
eating ASMR. Right?
Mukbang.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's covering it.
Less, Nata, less.
Yeah, we have a very limited supply. We do have more noodles, it's just they're not spicy. Oh, maybe some.
And we're gonna add a little bit of
Dumpling meat.
dumpling meat left over.
Yeah, we had dumplings yesterday and the day before.
Do you want to try some?
My fun noodles. Oh my god, I got on my hand.
You want me to help you? Here.
It's so spicy.
Can you handle it?
Yeah, it's like, it doesn't burn your taste buds, but it burns your throat.
Oh God. Get ready, Angelica.
We have drinks, cranberry juice with ice.
Here you go.
Oh, smart. I'm so scared. Cheers.
Bon appetit. Mmm.
Oh my god. That is actually hot. I need a dumpling meat.
You want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The dumpling meat is actually really good.
It's gonna balance the flavor.
It better. Just mix it.
Mm-hmm.
The dogs are just looking at us like, you better give us some.
Mmm. It's actually good.
It's good, but it's spicy.
Mmm. Mmm.
I don't know how they do this.
Yeah, I feel it in my lips. Over here.
I don't feel it on my lips, I feel it on my tongue. Oh my god, dumpling meat.
Woo!
I swear I am gonna drink a whole gallon of milk.
I'm
I don't
starting
even
to feel it on my lips.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
I should put a lot. Like, look, I haven't even finished this ball yet, and it's so hot.
Mmm.
I know that there are even spicier noodles than this, but this is pretty spicy. Spiciness, go away. Spiciness, go away. Spiciness, go away.
My lips are feeling it.
Just your lips? I'm so scared.
I think so. I don't know why. More like my lips. Mmm. But this soup is pretty nice. It's Korean noodles. Mmm.
I don't really like cranberry juice, but at this moment, I like it.
Mmm.
I think that these noodles are gonna change cranberry juice. Why am I just waving it around?
Mmm. My sinuses. Just feeling it. Are you gonna be able to finish it?
I don't know. What if you could just add like some lemon? What?
Let's do it.
We're gonna add lemon.
I think we should just add the lemon juice that we have to squeeze it over it.
Lemon juice. I'm just covering my whole bowl. I really hope. Okay.
Have your bowl in there? Closer.
I'm actually shivering because I'm so scared. Can you do it for me?
Yeah.
With my little big big.
Why do you use it with those things?
Oh my, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'm trying to see myself.
Oh no. Okay. There.
Like I'm shaking because I'm so nervous. This thing is so spicy.
It's good.
It's spicy. I can't even taste the flavor. I'm just tasting it. Like it's just eating pure tapatio. My mom likes that. My mom loves spicy food, so wouldn't be surprised.
Alright guys, we're gonna cut it here. This is our first ASMR. Did I
Mukbang.
say it right? Yeah, that.